Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today we'll discuss about one of the best NLUs in country, and that is nothing but the NALSAR, which is offering the IPM program. And the IPM, that is nothing but the integrated program in management. Yes, you heard right guys, from 2021 the NALSAR is going to start the IPM program, that is 5 years integrated program. So now it is great news because all IIMs are starting the IPM programs. Guys, you are well aware about IIM Indore and IIM Rohtak जो starting से ही IPM program offer कर रहे हैं. Now IIM Ranchi, Bodh Gaya and Jammu also started the IPM program, and in the same race the NALSAR is also participated. So guys, सोने पे सुहागा, if you are preparing for any of the IIM, then आपका score valid हो सकता है to enter into the NALSAR, the best university, because it is ranked among the top 3 NLUs, and this is by the NIF. So guys, with respect to the legal programs, then this institute is the best in the country. Now this institute is going to start the management program, that is 5-year integrated program IPM. And why NALSAR? Here I mentioned some points because under this IPM program the NALSAR offers core management concepts with the blend of law, philosophy, science and psychology for the young ignited minds. So guys, stay tuned with me to get the 100% correct information. So let's visit to the official website as it is fully updated. So guys, there is no need of introduction as this is the best institute in country for the legal programs, and except legal studies, guys, it is the top business schools for the management program also. So as IIM Rohtak started the IPL program, that is integrated program in law, same NALSA who offering the legal studies now will offer the IPM in management program. So guys, here also this program offers a voluntary exit to the students after successfully completing your program of 3 years. That is after BBA you can exit from here. So let's talk about the IPM admission procedure. So what exactly the eligibility criteria says? Same as per the IIMs, okay, 10+2 from the recognized board with minimum 60% aggregate marks for the open category candidate and 50% for ST candidates. Now either this will conduct exam or will accept the IIMs ka score. So they will accept the CLAT score, IP MAT 2021, IIM Indore ka score, IIM Rohtak ka score, ZipMat 2021 का score, that is IIM Jammu and IIM Bodh Gaya, and also JEE 2021 mains scorecard. So guys, इन सारे एग्जाम्स में से आपने कोई भी एग्जाम दिया है, you can enter into the NALSAR University. Thing is, you should remember all the important dates about each particular exam. So guys, remember the last date to submit the application form is 30th June. Okay, now how much intake? Okay, so there are overall 60 seats, 41 seats for the general category candidates, out of which number of seats for all India candidates are 37 and 4 for Telangana state candidates. Scheduled caste 9, all India candidates 7, scheduled tribe 5. For OBC there are 5 seats which are for Telangana state candidates. So overall 60 seats, out of which 48 seats for the all India candidates and 12 seats are reserved for the Telangana state candidates. Also, there are 30% seats will be reserved for the female candidate, 5% seats for the PWD candidates. Now, if you are a foreign national candidate, then you need not to give any entrance exam, as these all state you can directly enter into the NALSA. Now let's talk about the admission procedure. So what exactly the selection process says? It will include the personal interview. It will also include particular weightage for your academics. So for entrance exam it has 50% weightage. For class 10th it has 12.5% weightage. For class 12 it also has 12.5%, and for personal interview it has 25% weightage. So overall 100. So guys, again focus more on your 12 because it also includes 12.5% weightage for it. So this is the admission procedure. Now let's talk about the important dates. The last date to apply online is 30th June. Okay, release of shortlisted candidate list for the personal interview will be displayed on 7th of July. Personal interview will be carried out on 24th and 25th of July. Declaration of merit list 29th of July. Acceptance of offer 4th August. Induction will be on 16th and 17th of August, and your academic session will begins from the 18th of August. Okay guys, so these all are the important dates. Now we'll talk about the fee structure. If we compare the IIMs, then fee structure is average. So for 5-year programs the fees 3 lakh rupees per annum. It also includes the other charges. Just go through it. So guys, एग्जाम बहुत सारे हैं to pursue the management program. Even आपने कोई भी graduation किया है, there are lot of exams, ZAT, CAT, MAT, CMAT, MBA, CET is there. So you can prepare for those exam. And if you are looking for the 5-year integrated program, then guys options बहुत सारे खुल चुके हैं अभी. You can enter into the IIMs, you can enter into the private universities such as the Nirma University, and even you can also enter into the NLUs such as the NALSA. If you really want to enter into the business world, if you won't get admitted into the IIMs, then guys definitely you should look for the NALSA, because there are major reasons why IPM at NALSA. So we'll not talk about all these points, but we'll talk about the most important, and that is nothing but the brand equity of NALSA. Over 20 years of experience, A++ accreditation from the NAC, and attracts the illustrious faculty in-house. And other one, the Industry Connect, the live projects during the terms, 3 mandatory summer internship during the program, and this is very important guys with respect to the management studies. And the most important one is nothing but the placement. Guys, if you are getting a dream job after completing your legal studies, why not you will lead the best companies after pursuing IPM from the NLUs. So guys, overall one more window is open for all of you, and that is nothing but the NALSAR, the National Academy of Legal Studies and Research. So this is all from the today's video guys. If you wanna prepare for the IPM programs for IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak, IIM Jammu, Bodh Gaya or Ranchi, if you wanna prepare ZipMat or any BB entrance exams, guys, contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock tests. You can enroll for the GD, VAT and interview and the mentorship programs. Call on these respective numbers or visit our website manuedu.com. For all exam updates and the notification, you can follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can join our Telegram group also. This is our new YouTube channel, Manua BB Entrance. Don't forget to subscribe it, because you will get lot of updates on this particular channel. All links are mentioned in the description, so kindly check the description. So guys, this is all. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.